Hello everyone, this is Turan 2000 and I'm going to show you the ultimate online store website built by Avada. We will see trusted by beginners, marketers and professionals, built with usability and performance in mind. In futures we will see live visual builder, weight builder, header builder, footer builder, form builder, performance wizard. For beginners, launch your first website. For marketers, generate lead conversions. For professionals, create new level projects. In elements, it also has elements, rebuild websites and reviews. When we're going down, we will see 8,800k plus people trust Avada, 24k plus average 5-star review. For beginners, launch your first website. Visual builder, documentation, support, pre-built websites. For marketers, generate leads and conversions. Design, SEO, shop builder, form builder. For professionals, take your projects to the next level. All-in-one, patcher, VCAG, dynamic data. And we will see also design anything, build everything. Design and launch your website fast, and no coding knowledge is required. Live visual builder, weight builder, header builder, footer builder, form builder, and performance builder. And also we will see some part of another site, and also going down we will see all-in-one website builder, experience total control over your website creation process. 87 pre-built websites. Pre-built websites are designed to save you time. Import with a few clicks and customize it to suit your requirements. 120 plus design elements packed with options were highly flexible for any design and for any purpose. The only limit is your imagination. Built for performance, experience total control of your website's features that will empower you to make superior performance-related decisions. Mobile friendly, Avada is 100% fluid and responsive across all device types, from mobile to desktop and tablets, with no compromise. Dynamic content. Build unique pages and post layouts for your website by harnessing the power of Avada's dynamic content functionality. Online store builder. Avada is integrated with WooCommerce, allows you to build successful online stores to sell anything online. Discover more. You also see the button named Discover More. 811,632 website owners trust Avada, the #1 selling website builder on Dreamforce for 9+ years. WordPress support. We build long-term professional relationships with our customers that you can rely on and trust. Documentation and tutorials. Over 550 help files and 200 tutorial videos will make building websites with Avada even easier. 100% built in-house. Avada is not reliant on third-party tools to deliver a reliable and stable website building experience. Free lifetime updates. Your website will receive free and regular updates compatible with industry standard and trends for life. And also we see a photo and and some words. We choose to specialize in Avada because it is both functional and practical, and our clients simply love it. It has stood the test of time and continues to evolve an excellent solution for our talented design team who continue to push the boundaries. Squarebird https squarebird co.uk friend frequently asked questions: what is included with my purchase of Avada? Answer to the question: with your purchase of Avada, you will receive 6 months of free professional support, 800 premium plugins, 87 pre-built websites with new sites released regularly, 120 plus design and web elements, 550 detailed help files, continually updated to ensure everything is current, 200 plus video tutorials with new videos added regularly, free consistent and stable updates to ensure compatibility with industry standards and trends. Avada works with popular third-party plugins like Yoast SEO, WooCommerce, the Events Calendar, HubSpot, VPML, and more. Next question: are there any recurring fees? Answer the question: no, there are no recurring license fees to use Avada. It is a one-time purchase that provides you with lifetime updates at no extra cost and is valid for life. You can choose to purchase a support extension after the initial 6 months of support has expired. However, this is entirely optional. Next question: where can I get support? Hands-on support with our professional team of support experts is accessible to 24/7, 24/7, and that includes an extensive library of detailed documentation and video tutorials. To access support, you will need to register a support account by following these steps. Once your support account is set up, you can submit support tickets here. Learn how to navigate your support account dashboard here. Check to see if you are eligible. Check to see if you are eligible for grandfathered support. For a detailed overview of your support policy, please go here. Next question: are the pre-built websites fully customizable? Answer the question: yes, each pre-built website is 100% customizable. All pre-built websites are professionally designed by our in-house design team, created to showcase Avada's capabilities and save you time. Once you import a pre-built website, you can entirely customize the content and layouts to your liking. You can add your own imagery, change text, change color, or completely change any of the layouts using the Avada website builder. Next question: why should I trust Avada? Answer the question: trust is a quality that we take great care to foster and maintain by building long-term professional relationships that your customers can rely on. Here are some important qualifiers. The number one selling website builder on Zimforce for 9 plus years and counting. We love what we do and we do it for you. Your future is our focus. Avada is 100% developed and maintained in-house. Free, consistent, and stable updates to ensure compatibility with industry standards and trends. Avada has no dependence on third parties to deliver a stable and seamless website building experience. 550 plus detailed help files, continually updated to ensure everything is current. 200 plus video tutorials with new videos added regularly. Avada works with popular third-party plugins like Yoast SEO, WooCommerce, the Event Calendar, HubSpot, VPML, and more. Years of evolving Avada by listening to our customers' feedback is what helps shape Avada's roadmap for the future. A vast, passionate community of Avada customers drives a well-established Facebook group and a community forum. Join 811,632 passionate Avada customers and build your future. When we going down, we see also build successful websites with Avada, whether you are a beginner, marketer, or professional. Avada has the tools and resources you can rely on to succeed. Buy Avada for $60. And when we going down, we see the Avada website builder is brought to you by Fusion. Copyright 2012, 2022. Avada website built by Fusion, all rights reserved, powered by ThemeForest. You also have Facebook page, Twitter page, Instagram page, and YouTube page. So if you want to see by myself this site, click the link below in the description. And remember, make it easy and don't make it hard. Rejoice and don't grieve.